Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learning about list stack in Java, how it is work, how it is in implement, and when your project how to use it. So let's get to start. First of all, we need to learn about a list stack. A list stack is a custom implementation of stack using a list. So let's go to move on. Stack. So you can see in here stack list is using a stack. We need to learn about to in here stack. We need to learn about what is the stack. A stack is a line data structure that follow the LIFO principle. What is the LIFO? LIFO means is last in first out. So this is mean the last element add to the stack is the first one is ring. So in here you can see a stack. So you can see a 40 in here. The 40 is add to this list in here like this. This is add. So this is remove here. This is the first element in this stack. That is the remove one. The 40 is now removed. So now the stack is 10, 20 and 30 is the element in this stack. Okay. So next one is the primary operation performance stack. Now we need to learn about what are the primary operation of the stack. The first one is the push. What is the push? Push is the use at first method to insert the start top of the stack. So I'm going to show you. So this is the 40 in here. 40 added in the stack is called push. So that is the push. In the added is called to push. Okay. Next one is the pop. Pop is the remove of the first element using the remove first method. Okay, so you are going to add push like this in 40 into this stack. You remove it, that's called pop. So you then you can see the 40 is pop. Now stack is 10, 20, 30. That is the pop. Okay. Next one is a peak. Peak is show the top element without remove it. Okay. You can see 40 is here. That is the top of the element of this stack. So this is a top element. So you can use the peak method. The outputs come to 40. Okay. Output to 40. So next one is the is empty. Check if stack has a no element. So you can use this stack to is empty method. That is false because they already have a 4 element in here, 10, 20, 30 and 40. But your all element are removed in like this. So now you cannot see a stack. So then you are using the isEmpty method, the stack is now is empty, the isEmpty method is true. Okay, so let's go to move on. What is the list stack? So we can the list stack is custom implementation of stack is using list is we are learned about already, but we are usually a link or array list in Java used to implement in the list stack. So but I used to linked list is to implement this this list stack. So you can array list stack can use it, but I am use it linked list. Okay, I am used to Java, but you can use to C++, Python or whatever language to use to list stack algorithm. So let's go on to the coding implementation. You can see first import Java util linked list. So first of all we need to implement Java util linked list. So I already mentioned I am used to linked list, so in here I am use it. So next one is public class list stack T. What is the mean list stack T? So I am using here two generic type. So that is T means you can use in here to any type of data type you can use it. So next here you can see list. Here I am create a variable name is list. So next one is public void push. So this in here I am list to push element to at first method I am use in here. So after you can get some message to each element to push to stack to get to message in here. So next one is pop. So we need to pop method to, first of all we need to identify the stack is empty or not. So I used to if condition in here. So you can see isEmpty method call after you can see in message stack is empty, cannot to pop. So we cannot to pop because the stack is empty. After in stack is full, you can remove the element, use the pop method. So after the peak is the top of the element in the stack. So that is also we need to use to isEmpty because the stack is empty. You cannot to get the peak element. So we need to first of all the isEmpty call. After that is call, after you can get first method call can get the peak element. So next one is isEmpty method size and display. We can get the size in the stack and display the element. Can use this method. So next one is the main class. So after in here the list integer stack is the we create a empty stack in here. After stack push 10, that is the stack to push 10 20 30 like this. So after this display that is the display the element of the stack. So next one is the top of the element is the message. We can get the output of the in stack here, the top of the element. After I remove the top element after see the all element of the stack using display. So next one is after finally, so the size of the stack. So let's going to run this code. You can see the output is like this: 10 push to stack is going in here, item push to stack, that is the 10 and get to 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. You can see output in here 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. After stack element 40, 30, 20, 10 in here is here stack element. You can see all the push element return to in here. So top element is 40. How it is get? So you can see the 40 in here, that is the first element in the stack, so that is the top of the element. So that is the 40 is the top of the element, the output. So next one is 40 pop up from the stack. So in here you can see after the top of element, after I implement the stack, pop the top of the element pop up. So you can see the top element we get to 40 in here, after 40 is pop. So in here stack display, you can see the after remove the top of the element of 40, you can get 10, 20, 30, that is element 30, 20, and 10 is the element right now. So after finally stack size is remove after 40 is 3, so you can get the stack size is now 3. So this is the code implementation. So I change some code like this too. You can get some idea about more idea about the Listick algorithm. So you can see I am added the 50 push to 50 in this stack. So now you can see the 5 element in is here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like this. So stack element 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 is top of the element is right now 50 in here, you can see. So that is the 50 is top of the element after pop of the top of the element. So 50 is top pop up from the stack. Now the display it is stack element is now 40, 30, 20, 10 is the element right now after the size of the element stack is 4. So I think you can get some idea about the code implementation of the list stack using linked list in Java. So talking about when to use to stack. So the stack is used to many programming situations. So the first one is undo redo operation in editors, browser back forward in navigation, expression evaluation in compilers, recursion function call handling. So these are the usage of the stack. So I think you can get some idea about the this stack in Java. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more Java tutorial. See you next video.